Hello guys, today I received this product that I have here. Okay, it's a smart moonlight. Let me put it like this. Okay, this is a smart moonlight and it says that it's a strapless brightness dimming. It has 2 color temperatures and the eyelash beauty makeup tattoo artist. Okay, so it's like this. I already opened it, but we're going to try to do it like this. Okay, and I think it's pretty cool if maybe you have like a beauty salon or if you like to do your nails. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to try it. Okay guys, when we open it, we see the first thing, it's the LED half moon desk lash light user manual. Okay, it's like this. We're in the manuals and that's it. Okay, so here are all the pieces. I like that it came in this like type of foam because it is very protected. And here it's the moonlight, so we're going to try it. Okay guys, so I moved to another part where I can install the moon desk light. Okay, it was like very simple to put all the pieces. It came to just need to twist it, okay, to take it off or to put it on. Okay, then we have this part, okay, that it's very simple. It's for putting the phone. I'm going to show you how to put it. Okay, okay, you just need to like pull this, okay, like you can see, and then put the phone, and you can be like filming when you're doing your nails. So I'm going to try to put this one in this table. We are going to move this part down. Okay, let me twist it, and I'm going to put it here in the table. Okay, and you can be moving the phone down or upper, okay, and be filming what are you doing. Now I'm going to show you how it changed the light. Okay, here we are intensifying the brightness, and then we're going to lower the brightness. Like you can see there, it's like nothing. Okay, we're going to leave it like this so that you can see the change of type of lights, that it's like a warm white, another type of white, like a yellow color. Okay, that it's all here. You can turn it off and turn it on, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Now this cable, you can pass it through this part. I think this one, it's excellent because I think it can't like be storing there. So I think that if we put it here, it will be perfect, the cable. Okay, and next, okay, this I like it because first you can have it like this, okay, and searching here what you're going to do in your nails or what are you doing, or you can move it this on and maybe be filming. Let me show you how it all looks. Okay, let's press there, then we can be filming like this. Okay, now there it is filming, and we can turn on the light here. Okay, let's turn it on, and that it's how it's going to look. Okay, I already have you put it on my moonlight, the smart moonlight. I'm going to show you my hand so that you can see how it changed, okay, with the color. It's a yellow one, a warm white, a super white, and then if we move the intensity of the light, we are turning it almost on, and then off, and then here on. I like it like if you have a nail polish salon. And here I'm going to be putting some cream in my hands. Okay, I'm putting some cream, and that it's all. I think it is perfect. Okay, I would like to paint my nails here. I think that I'm going to use it for that. Okay, I like it too much. What do you think about it?